This is what Papa Mark does.
With his mouth open like that? Now say, I love you, Papa Mark.
I love you, Papa Mark.